How y'all doing? Trying to get a little something done out here in the shop today. You gonna help? I don't know what you gonna do, but you gonna help somehow. I got one. I don't know what to do with it. I'll show it to you. And I hope you get an idea of what to do. Meantime, take a minute. Check out Klaus over at Hobby Motor. You can watch it with the sound on if you want to. I usually watch it with the muted, but he's got some good stuff, and you don't want to see it. Help me figure this project out over here. Got this here Gravely 60-inch cut, powered by 26 horse Briggs and Stratton on the back. It come in here huffing and puffing and scooting and popping. Had to run an old half choke just to get it off the trailer. I thought maybe we might have a little valve issue or a carburetor issue, something going on. But it's been sitting here for a couple weeks and I'm just now getting to it. And I don't know what to do to it. It's running. It's running like it's supposed to. Y'all come around and take a look. But I don't know what to do for it. Coughing and spitting. Having a horrible time trying to get it off the trailer. And now it's sitting there and run like that. Let's just give it a quick looking at. Y'all come on down. Not in too bad a shape. I did check the oil in it. I checked that air filter in there. That's all I've done. Other than that, cranking it is the only doggone thing. Now what the devil? What would you do? What am I to do? You got any ideas? Hey, drop me a message. What would you do next? Sound like you're running fine to me. Is my ear gone that bad? I appreciate it. Let me know what you're gonna do. Bye. I'm done with that. I gotta figure out how to get that thing running.